Sup guys, today we're going to be building Among Us characters, so we're going to be building Orange because Orange is the most sus character. No, just kidding, Red is, but we're not building Red because green is my favorite color. Yo, I'm the yo bro, better subscribe cause I got good vibes, I do great mocks and I do great posts, don't forget that I do lots more, now you know, you should be subscribed to the yo bro. So BTW, I am making an Among Us stop motion, so stay tuned when that comes out. But let's get right into it and build the orange one. So I have actually a lot of different characters. As you can see, I have pink, green, red, white, brown, gray, yellow, blue, and black. You can also do other ones if you have more colors like cyan or lime or I don't know, whatever other colors they have. But and then of course we have orange. So let's start building and let's get into it. First of all, you're going to start with a 2x2 slope, and then you're going to get a 2x2 plate and put that on top right here. Then you can get a 1x1 white brick like that, and then stack two 1x1 plates and then a 1x1 blue plate and place it right beside your 1x1 white brick. You can put an orange, a 1x2 orange brick right there, and then you can put you don't do that. You place your 1x2s like this, or if you have a 2x2 brick, you can do that. Sorry about that. And you're gonna do get your other 2x2 slope, place it like that. And then if you want to use a cowboy hat, put some sticky tack in, and you can put a cowboy hat, or you can do nothing, or you can do a party hat, which is just a cone and a stud. You can use a machete, as that's one of the hats. You can try to make a mask with this cylinder piece, and of course sticky tack. All of these use sticky tack. And if you want to do that dumb sticky note, just get a sticky note and just cut it up small. Put dumb, because man, that is just dumb. And then, of course, my other characters have literally nothing because some people in Among Us just think they don't want to have a thing. And yeah, that's a whole mess, but we'll set it back up. Alright, guys, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope this kind of was a fun little tutorial. This is one of the stop motion sets. This is the cafeteria, by the way. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please check the Among Us stop motion when it comes out. Goodbye for now.